our first sound, this sound, is not A, okay? That's the name of the letter. The name is A, but the sound it makes is A. 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 Everybody say A. When you say this sound, your mouth is open, okay? It's a vowel sound, open mouth sound. A. Okay, so obviously we have a capital A and a lowercase a, okay? But the sound it makes is A. Okay, so let's go on to our first word, a small word with the A sound in it, which is hat, okay? H, A, T. Hat. H, A, T. Hat. Okay? H, A, T. Hat. Okay? H, A, T. Hat. I am wearing a hat. Make sure you're saying it with me at home as well. Okay? And you'll see that we have dots underneath the letters here. Okay? So if you see a red dot, that means that is one letter making one sound, okay? So the H is making one sound, the A is making one sound, and the T is making one sound, okay? So let's now go on to a slightly bigger word, okay, which is apple. Apple, apple, apple. Apple, 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 apple. Okay, I am eating an apple. Could be a sentence here. And now you'll see is we've got lines as well as a dot. Okay, we've got two letters. We've got two p sounds making one p sound. Okay, so these two letters make one sound. This is called a digraph sound, okay? So two letters making one sound. A, p, o, 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 okay? We've got two letters again, two letters making one sound. A, p, o, apple. Okay, how many letters do we have here? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. How many sounds? A, p, o. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we've got one single letter sound, one two-letter sound, and another two-letter sound, making 3 sounds in total for apple. Okay, going on to our next one is athlete. Okay, athlete, athlete. 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 Okay, so we got the e jumping here to another e to make the e sound. Okay, this is a split digraph sound because in the middle of this sound we've got another letter or another sound. So this sound is split between another sound. Okay, it's called a split digraph. The e jumps to the e to make the e sound. So let's do it all again. A, digraph here. A, u, e, t. Athlete. Okay. So the last sound we pronounce in this word is t. A, u, e, t. Athlete. The athlete is strong. Could be a sentence. Okay. Super. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.